Anyway, guys, this is Samani Peace and Wasele. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, it, so like it, comment. Happy Thursday, happy festive season. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start of today. So, guys, Lonkulu Maqele finally revealed the reason why Ashe Pansi Mzumbe and went to stay Kosi Park. Guys, we can say a lot in Maqele. Yes, she's not a perfect person, but she does not get the full respect as a first wife. So uMaCele reveal ukuthi uMayeni does not want her ukuthi ahlale eMzumbe. Guys, uMayeni does not beat the allegation. As so since season 1, all the wives are complaining about her after the whole scandal ya Vuyokazi confirming she's not good terms with Mayeni. I finally get acknowledged Mayeni has a problem. Everyone is complaining on Mayeni. I know Mayeni has a huge fan base. People love her. But honestly speaking, guys, we need to be honest in Mayeni. Do you still remember on season 8, she once said to Musamselek, Umamkulu umawak. I don't care if you see the husband loving you than the first wife. Oksala, you need to respect uDlonkulu umuzi kaMseleko MaCele, guys. So uMaCele reveal ukuthi uMayeni wants to be the first wife. That's the reason why she left Mzumbe. And people are saying, no, maybe it's not the same problem. Go season 8, Manto says she moved out of Mzumbe because she did not want to be in the same space as Mseleko's wives. Ngoba yena akanasithembu. Do you still remember? Yena washati indoda enganasithembu. Because now it's so confusing. Do we blame Mayeni for MaCele to move out of Mzumbe? Do we agree with MaCele once she's trying to say ukuthi uMayeni ufuna ukumsusa njengoDlonkulu wakaMseleko, guys? So people are saying a lot in Mayeni, guys. After the scandal now, Vuyokazi, people are saying no, it seems like Mayeni has a problem with everyone. So tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe, it, so like it, comment.